This is nice, real nice. Just you, me, and some hot cocoa. I don't even need a blanket. Your lap is so nice and warm. So, what are we watching tonight? We could continue our binge, or we could just channel flip. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Hey, what are you checking if I have cat ears? What? Ugh, how can you be so serious when you say that? Of course, I wouldn't have cat ears hidden within my hair. No, I don't have a tail either. You should know I don't. You've seen me. What? I, I don't act like a cat. No, I don't. Okay, fair. I do always curl up in your lap, but that's just one thing. I'm not obsessed with milk. A favorite drink? That's easy. It's iced coffee, cocoa, and vanilla milk. Wait. I really regret having a mug of cocoa right now. Can we just stop talking about this? We could talk about dinner. Personally, I'm craving some fish right now. What are you in the mood for? Shut up, I'm not proving your point. Many people like fish, it doesn't mean anything. Don't rub my ears. Mhm. Yes, keep going. Mhm. Hey, why did you stop? You can't just do that and then stop. Mm. Fine, fine. Are you going to continue if I admit it? I admit that I act like a cat sometimes. Yeah, just keep going. You're lucky I'm loving this so much right now. Otherwise, I'd have your head for that. Whatever. Just don't call me a kitty in public, okay? I'm not saying I like the nickname. I'm just putting up with it. Don't you dare stop. Just shut up and keep going, will you? Mm, this is the best. I don't care if I fall asleep on you. Serves you right for teasing me. Well, if you think I act like a cat now, then you have to listen to the cat laws and not get up now. That's what I thought. I love you too. Mm. Mm.